Hello and welcome to the dot notation video. Dot notation is a form of penspinning notation commonly used for more precise readings of slot positions. To understand dot notation, one must first understand basic slot notation. T for thumb, 1 for index, 2 for middle, 3 for ring, and 4 for pinky. There's also P for palm and B for back of the hand, as well as a few others listed on the screen. In standard slot notation involving 2 fingers, the first finger is written going down the order T, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, slot 2-3 is notated correctly while slot 3-2 is incorrect. The dot in dot notation is just notation for representing the pen/mod. For example, it is technically correct that slot 1.2 is considered dot notation, but there's a hidden mechanism involved that is not shown with only 2 fingers. Earlier, I said locations must be written in the order T, 1, 2, 3, 4. But dot notation can confuse many because these are correctly notated. To write this kind of dot notation, given a slot position, we start on the side of the pen mod that has the first locator in the hierarchy. We write down the locator farthest in the counterclockwise direction. In this case, it's the index finger, so we write 1 as the first number. Then continue in a clockwise motion, writing all the locators. When we reach the pen mod, we write a dot to represent it. We then continue writing whatever locators come next, continuing in the same direction. For example, a twisted sonic from 2-3 to 1-2 would be written as twisted sonic 2-3 to 1-3.2 to 1-2. Here are a few more examples of slots written in dot notation. When we add finger cross notation, we can more accurately notate many more slots with dot notation. That about sums up the basics of dot notation. Now you should be able to read and write some basic dot notation slots. Here are a few slots you can try on your own to notate. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos. More videos of notation coming soon. See you next time.